Master the art of memory. Why personalizing mnemonic devices is crucial. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a super interesting topic: the importance of personalizing mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are incredible tools that can help you memorize and understand complex information. But the secret sauce is personalizing these devices to make them even more effective for you. So, let's dive in. Mnemonic devices are memory aids that help you remember information. They could be acronyms, rhymes, or even little stories that link to what you're trying to remember. For example, you might use the acronym PEMDAS to remember the order of operations in math: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, from left to right, and addition and subtraction, from left to right. Here's the thing: not all mnemonic devices will work for everyone. Think of it like a shoe. Just because it fits one person well doesn't mean it's going to be comfortable for everyone. Mnemonic devices are similar. They're often created with a general audience in mind and may not resonate with you personally. So, why should you personalize these memory aids? Personal connections make memories stick. When you use imagery, words, or stories that have personal relevance, you're more likely to remember the information. It's the difference between a post-it note and a permanent marker. The latter leaves a much stronger impression. 1. Identify what resonates. Think about what naturally sticks in your mind. Is it humor? A particular emotion? Imagery? 2. Apply your interests. If you're a music fan, maybe turn the information into a catchy jingle. If you love stories, create a short tale that includes the key points you need to remember. 3. Test and modify. After using your personalized mnemonic, test yourself. Is it helping? If not, don't be afraid to tweak it until it does. Let's look at an example. Imagine you need to remember that the word belligerent means hostile or aggressive. A general mnemonic might be to think of a bell ringing loudly and causing a disturbance. But let's say you love video games. You might imagine a character named Bell, who is always picking fights in a game you love. This personal touch makes the mnemonic more effective for you. Alright, folks, that's it for today's video on the importance of personalizing mnemonic devices. Personalizing mnemonics doesn't just make the memory aid more effective, it also makes the learning process more enjoyable. So, give it a try the next time you're tackling a complex subject or preparing for a test. Trust me, your brain will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Until next time, happy learning!